Hello friends, this is Dave from Advanced Camping in Milwaukee, and it's a beautiful January day today here in Wisconsin, and I just wanted to show you this new 2023 Pleasure Way Plateau TS. This is one of the premier builds we feel in the industry. Super luxurious, easy to drive, one of the most reliable sound coaches in the van camper world. So let's take a look. First of all, this is built on the Sprinter chassis. It is the middle size, 22 feet 9 inches. It's got the 3-liter diesel. This is rear wheel drive and dual rear wheel. Really nice platform to be built on. Gets, really exceptional fuel mileage. Customers have told us 18 plus is pretty common. What's nice about this size is that it will still fit into a regular parking spot. It's a little bit longer. It'll stick out of the parking spot by just a little bit, but it's still in there. Where if you go to their longest extended chassis, the 24-foot chassis, you are needing for sure 2 parking spaces. So that's what I like about this size Sprinter. And you know what, when you go inside, you don't miss the extra space. It's such a good design that you won't even know. Actually, many people at shows will be comparing 2 models and they will not, they cannot believe it's actually shorter than the 24-foot version. So this has the optional Alcoa wheels. It has max solar on the roof with 300 watts of solar. It does have the Fiamma F65 power awning with the wind sensor and lighting, of course, in the Fiamma awning. This is a fully equipped Sprinter chassis, meaning it has all the features that Pleasure Way ordered the chassis with. That has been exceptionally uncommon this past year and a half. And as a result, there's a lot of these floating around out there that just are missing options, and this one is not. You can see it's got all sorts of sensors in the bumper here. Those proximity sensors are part of the safety features, and we'll take a look at those in a little bit. It does come with a hitch and will pull 5,000 pounds if you want to. You obviously, a lot of people buy this not to tow anything, but if you occasionally need to, or you can put a bike rack on the back, or of course one of those cargo carriers if you prefer. And then this has a grill hookup right off the back, so quick connect. You can put an LP grill, or if you want to put a little fire pit off the propane, you don't have to carry an extra bottle along. I'll zoom out here so you can get a really good grasp of the size of this. And I love this look. It's very clean, it's very classy. The silver is one of my favorite colors. They do paint the air conditioner shroud to match up top, which I think finishes it off nicely. They've also painted all of the banding or moldings that would have come kind of black or gray from Mercedes. The other thing that Pleasure Way does is they order really high end suite of appliances. So you've got a Truma Vario heat furnace. You've got the Truma AquaGo Plus water heater, which is a recirculating water heater, one of the best in the industry. And you've got a Dometic refrigerator. You've also got a utility center that's up off the ground, easy to access. That's where you're going to plug your cord in, where your LP on-off switch is going to be, where your water hookup is, all in this little compartment right here. Right next to that is an outside shower with hot and cold water, both, and a nice size hose. So you can rinse your feet off, you can rinse the pet off right there with, again, without having to stress, get on your knees, hook anything up. It's all really easy to access. Down below in the running board is going to be your access to your gray and your black tank discharge. And what's really neat is in this running board here, so you open the flap, you turn the corner, that's where the hose stores. So it's self-storing. They've got a little spot for it. It's not, really hanging down any lower than the rest of the coach. So again, a really good design, which is what you'd expect from Pleasure Way. Pleasure Way is built in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, and all they do is build van campers, so they are exceptionally good at it. They also have a very high level of quality. So let's hop in and take a look at the inside. As you enter this unit, you'll see they use this roll-off screen. It zips down, it's got a magnetic entryway, really durable screen setup. There's some other more convenient screens on the market, but less durable. So yes, I know a lot of people like that sliding screen. You know what, by the time I see those at shows, they are destroyed. They don't fit on the track anymore. These things exceptionally durable, very pet friendly. This one is built with the white smoke wood color, very popular color for 2023. It also has the Corian countertops, and on the Plateau TS, what I like most about it is this kitchen area. Look at how huge this kitchen is. Really ton of space. You've got some great cabinetry space beneath, and you even have a bank of drawers. So really well set up. It's got an induction stove, a home grade faucet, pull-out sprayer. You've also got a deep sink. You could fit a pot in there. You could do dishes. And then of course this really nice lid for the top. And you have got, looking back, an extra large Dometic refrigerator. This is the largest refrigerator we offer. We handle here at Advanced Camping what we consider the top brands in the van camper world: Road Trek, Winnebago, Pleasure Way, and this is the largest of the refrigerators. So I do appreciate that. Above that is the convection microwave, which is not always found on van campers either. So that's nice. You can brown or toast things in it or use it as a regular microwave. Right next to that is this giant closet. Good hanging wardrobe space. Also where the table can stow your bed support pieces if you want to make it into the king bed. People can put shoes in here. You could actually put some shelving in if you want. This is a huge bonus for a lot of people buying this model. As we look back, I like what Pleasure Way has done with the upper cabinets. It's very clean looking. They actually took away all of the push button style latches, and now you just simply push the door to open it. And they've got super high-end Bloom hardware here for the cabinet holdups. They also press their cabinets into this soft headliner material, reducing the squeaking and rattling you can get over time with cabinets. So Pleasure Way, again, is built for the long haul. It actually has a 5-year limited warranty on their upfit parts. So it's the best warranty that I'm aware of in the RV industry, and as a result, they're not cutting corners on cabinetry. They're not cutting corners really anywhere. So when you come back here to the power sofa, this is a comfortable sofa. It has 2 seat belts in the back with shoulder harness belts, so you can comfortably carry 4 people here. This will also make into 2 twin beds, and what I'll do is I'll just put this down so you can see it. Everything is controlled off of the Spider control screens. There's one here, and there's one right in the doorway over here, and that really makes for ease of use. So power sofa goes down really easily. You can stop and have it slightly elevated if you wanted to read in bed, or if you want to go all the way down, you have got yourself a nice comfortable bed. And 2 twin beds, or you can put those filler boards in, use these side cushions, make 1 king size bed. Pleasure Way uses 4 inches of memory foam, 4 inches of dense foam, a really comfortable cushion and bed space. I'll throw that back up here, and you'll see it also has your fan controls. So on this screen, you can control your Dometic power vent. and you can control that, either have the lid go up, turn the fan on, or you can control it from the home screen and set it for a specific temperature. So if you're camping and you want it to exhaust the hot air in the coach, anything over 75 degrees, it will only turn on when it gets above 75 degrees. So really, really smart how they've integrated all of those things into this panel. Makes for real ease of use because everything is well labeled. You also have all your lighting. You've got a whole lighting page, and you can dim your lights. So if you want to dim these, you just simply slide it over. So sometimes these lights are a little too intense. You can bring them down, and you can have them at any level you would like, which I really like that feature as well. They also have lithium batteries on board and a really smart meter, so it will tell you your consumption, and it will also give you in their electrical page an estimate of how long you can go at your current consumption rate. So all really useful information if you're a first-time owner or if you're a seasoned veteran too. This is really information that you'll want to know anyways. So Pleasure Way does all of that for you. In addition to the lithium batteries, and it has a pure sine wave 2000 watt inverter, they also give you an inverter own-in generator. So very quiet generator. It's a great backup system, or it's nice to have redundancy in a coach like this. In the event you are low on power, you can simply start your generator up and run it for a bit of time, recharge your batteries. You can also run the air conditioner off the generator. So it gives you some versatility. You know, people like that, and they like reliability. If one system you can't figure it out, it isn't working quite right, just start up the generator, you're always going to have power. So I like that, I can appreciate that, and I hope you do too. So if you like videos like this, we do van videos all the time. We're the Midwest Van Camper Connection, so hit subscribe. You'll see a bunch of videos pop in up on your YouTube feed, and we, like I said, we do these several times a week. So the bathroom, this is a very generous bathroom. You can actually step in. You've got some cabinetry storage. You've got a nice stainless steel sink. You have a built-in medicine cabinet, and I like that they use these DuPont Corian countertop inside of the bathroom here, which I think is really nice, very durable. And then you do have a residential grade toilet. You know, it's porcelain. You've got a soft close lid. All of the things you'd expect in a higher end home or hotel room, whatever the case is these days. You'd also see, this is a radius door. I don't know if you can see that well on the video or not, but it's just got a little bit more style to it than a flat door. Plus it gives you a little more elbow space when you're in the bathroom. So it's dual purpose. And then it kind of matches these radius cabinet doors that you find down here. So, you know, really nice quality cabinetry, great fit and finish, very practical in design, and kind of timeless. I like the colors they use. You know, the whole thing is very well done. This does include a TV, smart TV, Bose speaker. You also have the Winegard Razor antenna. And let's pop up front here. I also want to show you this. These drawers, I'm going to just open one of these up because Pleasure Way's drawers, cabinet grade plywood, solid base, not a piece of paneling down here. As you're bouncing down the road, your items in here are not going to destroy this cabinet, which in a lot of RVs, that's what happens. So look at this. You got the face of it. You still have a piece of plywood behind it. It's got screws. It's well built. It also has soft close guides, which is nice as well. Up front, here is the full look at the Mercedes chassis. You've got their smart wheel, which you've got controls on the steering wheel for that front screen, as well as the 10-inch M-Bucks. You're going to have blind spot assist. You're going to have lane keeping assist. You're going to have collision avoidance warning plus. You're going to have wireless charging up top here in these compartments. This one is just for charging here. And then you're also going to have some storage in this one and that one over there. And then in addition to that, Pleasure Way gives you power seats with memory. They also are swivel seats, so you can swivel both of these around. They're heated, and again, they don't skimp on the chassis. A lot of the companies, you know, they buy a Sprinter chassis, but it's not really well equipped. Pleasure Way's is. The other thing you get with Pleasure Way, not only do you get a great walkthrough from Advanced Camping here in Milwaukee, but you also get 90 days of the Pleasure Way personal assistant. So when you buy this coach, you're assigned a factory representative and they send you their email and phone number. So if you have questions about ownership or questions about the unit, you can call them directly and get some assistance for the first 90 days. So that's really a special feature that I think a lot of people don't even realize that comes with a Pleasure Way. It's all about the details, and it's all about having a great adventure and a good experience. And you certainly would get that with a new Pleasure Way. So thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Again, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, visit advancedcamping.com or give us a call today.